Let's also tell you that the stage is set for a high-stakes Delhi MCD mayoral election today at 2 p.m. This time, the mayoral post is reserved for a Dalit candidate. The tenure for the candidate, however, will be truncated to just 5 months due to a 7-month delay caused by a political deadlock between the AAP and the BJP. Remember, the AAP announced Devnagar Ward Councillor Mahesh Kitchi as its candidate for the mayoral position and Aman Vihar Councillor Ravinder Bharadwaj as the candidate for deputy mayor. The BJP named Shakurpur Councillor Kishan Lal as its mayoral candidate, with Sadatpur Councillor Neeta Bisht as its choice for deputy mayor. Now, Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena has appointed BJP councillor and former East Delhi Mayor Satya Sharma as the presiding officer, who also presided over the previous mayoral polls in December 2022. But taking the latest across to Kritika, who continues to stay with us. Kritika, whenever you talk about anything to do at the MCD level in the national capital, there's always been high-level drama that has ensued. But considering the fact that this is an important day in terms of what has panned out essentially before result, what more can you tell us with this that is going to be happening today?
That in fact the mayor polls are expected to happen today. What we're also learning is that this in fact tenure was supposed to be given to a Dalit candidate. However, that has not happened. This is a flashpoint that Delhi BJP has continuously alleged against the Aam Aadmi Party, that this has been done deliberately. It's cutting down the months of tenure available for the next candidate. So yes, that definitely is an issue. Yesterday, when appointments were made by the BJP party in the MCD to oversee elections, that was also in fact protested by the Aam Aadmi Party, which now Delhi BJP is alleging is a ploy to again postpone these elections. And we've seen over the couple of months how these elections have time and again been postponed. A lot of times the Delhi LG has also passed an order for elections to take place late at night, but again what we saw was ruckus in the house. Along with the mayor and deputy mayor elections, what we're also expecting is a bill for the revision of parking for private vehicles, in fact, to be passed in the house as well. This is something that has been pending since the time Grab Stage 2 was also enforced. So a lot of issues keep pending because of a standoff between the two parties in the MCD. And today itself, we are expecting a high voltage drama in the MCD house. Over to you.